Tell you what are superconductors. Superconductors are the materials which provide zero resistance path to electric currents. Superconductivity is a fascinating and challenging field of physics. Scientists and engineers throughout the world have been striving to develop an understanding of this remarkable phenomenon for many years. For nearly 75 years, superconductivity has been a relatively obscure subject. Superconductivity was first discovered in 1911 by Dutch physicist Henk Kimberley-Ons. Superconducting magnets are already crucial components of several technologies, but it has many applications in space too.
Superconductivity we attain. It can be attained if the temperature were reduced to very close to 0 Kelvin. For example, mercury requires about 4.7 Kelvin to attain the property of superconductivity. This can be done in space too. In fact, it is much easier to make superconductors in space than under laboratory conditions on Earth. If we put a thermometer in darkest space with absolutely around nothing, it would first have to cool off. This might take a very long time. Once it cooled off, it would take about 2.7 Kelvin. This is because of the degree 3 microwave background radiation. No matter where you go, you cannot escape it. It is always there. That is, it is much easier to make superconductors in space.
Now, what are the benefits of making superconductors in space? Firstly, it allows a long distance traveling of electric currents without power losses, which would be very profitable. Also, superconductors have very high magnetic properties, which is very useful as magnets also work in microgravity. In 1989, Ningley of the University of Alabama in Huntsville theoretically demonstrated how a time-dependent magnetic field could cause the spins of lattice ions in a superconductor to generate detectable gravitomagnetic and gravitoelectric fields. Although this gravitomagnetism has been used earlier, but if this concept would be used in the space or all space probes, it could be very beneficial as only superconductors can be used for carrying electric currents, creating artificial gravity, and using it for other applications.